Yo, what's Gary one? I'm about to show y'all how to skip the queue. So step one, what you want to do, first of all, you gotta be in Google Chrome. So step one, click shop. And when you click hardware and disks, you want to time the escape button. So before you see that PS4 picture, you want to click that so you avoid the queue for the first one. So let's do that right now. Alright, that's step one. But if you click shop, it's gonna put you in another queue. So what you want to do is you want to click inspect, click the three dots over here, then click more tools. Go all the way down to request blocking. I already have here. So once you go to request blocking and move here, you click add pattern, and I already have it typed out. So this is what you want to type in. Click add. Make sure it's both, checked out. Alrighty, let's do this. So when you click shop, it should just skip the queue, and it did. And boom, you're in. Even though it's still out of stock, that's just the best way you could do it so that you could skip the queue. So tomorrow, I believe, the 14th, hopefully they don't patch this. You guys can go in and just skip the queue. Hopefully everyone gets their PS5, and yeah, good luck.